Hi guys, I'm going to review with you the order of operations and how I expect you to show work for these problems. We're going to be going over the order of operations, but we're going to be throwing in square and cube roots. So I figured this would be a good time as I'm introducing Nearpod to you to also review the order of operations. I'm going to write here PEMDAS because that helps us remember. Please excuse my dear Aunt Sally, parentheses, exponents, multiply, divide, add, subtract. Remember, multiplying and dividing, adding and subtracting go in order from left to right. Multiplying doesn't necessarily always come before division, whatever you hit first from, I do it this way, left to right. Let's take a look at this example. The first thing I'm going to look for is parentheses. Because I have this in parentheses, that's what I'm going to do first. I'm going to bring down the 6 squared, the minus 15, because I'm not using them yet. The only thing I'm doing is what's inside the parentheses, subtracting. I bring everything else down. The next thing we look for exponents. We have 2 exponents. We have 6 squared. 6 squared does not mean 6 times 2. It is 6 times 6, so that's 36. This does not have an exponent. This does not have an exponent. Bring it down. And then this means 2 times 2 times 2, which is 8. Don't get excited if you forgot that. We're going to go over that as well, along with how to plug it in your calculator. All right, the next thing is multiplying and dividing. The only thing I see here is multiplying. Now, I don't see a multiplication sign, but you know that anytime you have a number beside a number in parentheses, that means to multiply. We have 36 minus 15 times 2 is 30 plus 8. The next thing I'm looking for is adding and subtracting. This is a 30, by the way, because it's a 0. Add, subtract. Do not take 30 plus 8. It's whatever comes first from left to right. So since subtraction comes first, I'm going to subtract here. 36 minus 30 is 6, and 6 plus 8 is 14. And that is how it is done.